Let's talk about some of the billing options available within 17 Hats and Dubsado. Obviously, we can manually create invoices to bill clients. You simply create the invoice and email it over so that they can process the payment. We also have the option of adding an invoice to a proposal. By attaching the invoice to the proposal, we're reducing the amount of emails and back and forth with potential clients, and we're creating a seamless client experience as they can view and accept their proposal, sign their contract, and pay their invoice in one effortless step. You may not want to bill clients upfront, or you may want to split payments. This is particularly useful for high-ticket options. With payment schedules, we can set fixed amounts, for example, £500 now and £500 at the end of the project, or we can use a percentage and charge 50% upfront and 50% at the end of the project. This is completely customizable. You can tailor the payment schedule to however you're charging for your services. You simply define the due dates, and we can also set up automatic reminders to remind your clients when a payment is due. If you're working on a retainer model with a client, recurring invoices are very helpful. Use recurring invoices to bill clients every month for the same amount. And by setting up a recurring invoice, it takes away the manual need for you to create an invoice and send it out each month. It will all be done automatically. Auto pay is a great option for receiving payments without the client having to process the payment themselves. By using auto pay, the payment is taken from the client each month without the client having to process the payment manually, taking another thing off their plate and meaning that you don't have to worry about chasing invoices. If you charge by the hour, you may want to use time tracking to track your time and produce an invoice that you can send to your client. This option doesn't have any reporting included at the minute, and it is a manual thing that you would need to do, but if you're charging hourly, it is a great option for you to consider. If you're using Dubsado, you can make use of public proposals. Public proposals means that you can essentially create a landing page or a sales page and sell from that page hosted on Dubsado without your client being in your Dubsado system, meaning that someone can go to your public proposal, purchase something from you, it will then pull in to Dubsado, create the client, it will create a project, and we can apply a workflow. Public proposals are really useful for selling low ticket items like templates. If you charge for appointments or sessions with you, charging through the scheduler is another great option. So a client can come to your scheduler, book an appointment, and pay for that appointment at the time of booking. This again removes the need for multiple emails and multiple steps within workflows. Understanding billing options will help you when it comes to planning workflows and gives you more options and flexibilities within the sales process.